Oh fuck, there's the camera.
You look like the green mask. Who's that? Who's that guy? The green mask. Han, the green mask. Who knows? Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey. Do the Jim Carrey.
Hang on a second. What's this? What's your name on this?
That's mine. Jim Carrey. That's my Jim Carrey. It's not Jim Carrey. It's my name. Jim Carrey. Do the Jim Carrey son. Look like. I can't gonna.
Right. Very, very serious now, because I don't know why I'm talking like a South African, because I'm not a South African. I am not a South African, I tell you.
Yeah.
I've never been there, but I've got South African blood in me. From my grandmother, she was from South Africa. And my mother, I'm talking like American. Okay, serious.
I'm shaking. Is there any stability of my phone?
Your new phone.
Phone. This is my phone. Ooh la la. What's inside?
It's a gold bar.
Gold bar?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's a hat.
Oh
Kids
yeah.
have got it with
Ah
those.
no. Jim Carrey.
Kids, don't play with plastic bags.
Oh, you look so guapo there.
Oh, thank you.
Jim.
I'm the DHL guy.
Oh, your sounds rich.
Rich.
DHL is number one, right?
Number one. Numero uno.
Numero
What?
uno. You should be a model, Han. You should be a commercial. DHL. Han?
Yes?
Han,
Yes?
can we tell the DHL that you would be there?
Their hand model. Their head model. DHL, I can be your head model.
You act like twin paranormal twins, Han.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, the older version. You're too much watching twin paranormal. Ooh, what's that? Fuck. Oi, that's a fake box. Original box. Made in China.
It's not funny.
Oh shit. Is that the box? Can you see the difference between the original and no, the original? Can I double check? Double check. Seriously, oh I cannot read. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
It said 13.
Yeah.
You ordered 12.
Let us open the box.
Numero 13 there. You are. Is it 12? And then it's 13 there.
13. Sí.
Senor.
Sí.
Senor, you look so. You look like a DHL chef. DHL chef.
Oh, it's a box inside the box.
Another box.
It's like a fucking Russian doll.
Ah, tanoshimi. Oh, another box again.
Another box. Yeah,
You're so guapo, eh? Aww. Who's that? Chef.
Look at that. Now, does it have a... Oh, it does.
That's the overwhelming feeling, huh? If you would have a new phone. What's that? See,
Sorry.
I said it's fake. It's fake.
That's not...
Oh my God.
But it is an English charger, isn't that weird?
Oh wow. It's not in China then?
No, there's no
Oh.
China one, it's an English one.
Wow. Maybe there's two.
Oh, international. That's okay. I have adapters. See, we have adapters. Wow, look at that.
Singapore.
Singapore. Beep.
Is that Australia?
No, it's Australia. Oh, that's the wrong one. Idiot. It's not Australia. I kill you.
In Japan. Pan. Is that made in Japan? It's made in China. Do you have any China
I
there?
don't.
Oh, no, maybe it's made in...
Philippines. Right, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to do the unwrapping.
Cha-ching. Brrrr.
Ready.
Hello. Are you sure that's original there? Oh shit.
Yep.
Oh god. Oh fuck. I like the sounds.
That's it. Don't show people all my toothpaste along on top, okay?
Hello. I'm shaking the hand. I damaged your phone.
You're damaged. That's your phone. Hey. You're going to put dirty footprints on my telephone. No. it
Because
is not okay.
your phone is arrogante.
Arrogante.
What's mine? 12? Yours is
11.
13? Ay, 11, mine. Hello, you're too far. You're too far, sir.
See.
Oh, that's not fair.
So let's turn it on.
So if I'm going to be 13 and you're going to be 16. Oh, 16.
Sweet 16.
This is that's not fair. Allah, and you'll be in love with that, not me and him. What about me?
Sorry, Nara.
Oh God, Bayonara.
14.
Oh, 14. Allah, why is it 14? And then the cover is 13. That's fake, fucking fake, mate.
Because.
What?
Yep, that's okay.
¿Por qué?
¿Por qué?
Allah, there's scratch on, no?
That's not Next. Choose your region, New Zealand.
Oh, you're not.
Little voice type.
You're UK. You're the Asian.
Use your brain, yeah, whatever. Checking for some code. Oh, I'll do that later. Skip the step.
Oh God, that is fucking
Skip.
smooth. Smooth.
Insert. So we'll do that later.
What's the color? Gray?
It's green.
It's green.
Green.
It doesn't look green. It looks gray.
It's kind of a. What's it called? No.
Light green. Mental. Mental.
Mental. No, it was some weird.
Mint.
No, it wasn't. It was
Like that. Oh,
something green.
green.
But the colour itself doesn't.
Doesn't matter
No,
because
just
you will
look at
put
the colour.
some cover.
Mm.
Because you actually bought a new
I did.
cover. You want me to bring sa?
Ooh, why not? Yes, please.
Ding. There. I'll jump. Oh, this.
Thank you, man.
Oh shit.
There we go. And look, it's already got fingerprints all over it.
You
Not my
baptized-
fingerprints on my head.
You
Not my
bap-
fingerprints.
Wait, whose fingerprints? You baptize it. She? He?
She.
Gay?
She.
Is it a boy? A girl? A gay? Baptize it with mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Yeah, I reckon.
Mayonnaise.
Ooh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Next. Use your own voice. Turn on
Oh, you
the
look so
speaker.
guapo on there. You're very proud of the DHL, no? What was that one that you canceled, sir? You wanted to announce them? Because you've been waiting for long?
Oh, that was buy mobile. Yeah, I tried. I failed. I did try to buy a mobile.
Really? So,
Whereas
how long?
Ethics took, yeah,
How-
done, sorted.
So how long? The difference?
Well, being by mobile, I ordered on the 29th of May and cancelled 2 weeks later
It's so awful.
because they hadn't shipped. Whereas Big X Tech, I ordered. Was it last week? I think. And just got it today.
It really fits to your...
Thank you, ma'am. Use a cable
Here's
that fits
a
your old device. Yeah. Insert the cable into your old device.
Oi!
Connect both devices using the cable.
That you should thank them, oi, to the DHL.
DHL. I
Yeah.
did. I said DHL, you're the best.
Woohoo!
Cable doesn't fit.
5-star
5
hotel.
star. Oh, at least.
What about the other one?
Use old device to... Ah, here we go.
How many stars would you give them? But you give them the 100% of your cashback.
Well, yeah. So, we might have to stop recording for now because I'm going to transfer all of the stuff.
I just like love your outfit today, Jim Carrey.
Okay.